veggies might not be the first thing that comes to mind for breakfast, but there's lots of fun, easy ways to add them to your morning meal. You may like to try creating your own smoothies, or adding sliced fruits or veggies to whole grain toast with your favorite healthy spread like avocado or cottage cheese. Today, we will show you a breakfast option that you can customize using your favorite produce, an egg bake. We'll be preparing our recipe in a baking dish, but you could easily cook these in any oven-safe pan, muffin tin, or just scramble together in a skillet. Any way you do it, you just need to saute some of your favorite veggies, mix with eggs and spices, and cook. For this bake, you'll need half a tablespoon of olive oil, half a tablespoon of minced garlic, half a cup of chopped onion, and 2 cups of chopped vegetables. I'm using half a cup of bell peppers, half a cup of sliced mushrooms, and 1 cup of chopped spinach, 5 eggs, and a few dashes of your favorite dried spices. I'll be adding parsley, basil, oregano, and a dash of salt and pepper. You can also choose to add cheese to this recipe. I'll be using a 1/4 cup of low-fat cheddar. This recipe makes 3 to 4 servings, but you can easily make a larger or smaller batch. First, the oven needs to start preheating to 400 degrees. We've already washed and chopped our ingredients, so we'll start by sauteing the garlic and onions in the olive oil for a few minutes. Once the onions start to get soft, add the bell peppers and mushrooms and cook for about 5 minutes. Finally, stir in the spinach and cook for another few minutes until wilted. Set the vegetables aside while we make the eggs. Remember, you can get creative with the vegetables that you choose. This recipe is also tasty with tomatoes, zucchini, or a leafy green like kale or collard greens. Mix together the eggs and your favorite seasonings or hot sauce. You can make this using egg whites as well. At this point, you can add the eggs to your hot pan and scramble everything instead of baking. Since we are baking, add the veggies to the eggs, add the optional cheese, and mix well. Pour the whole bowl into a greased baking dish or greased muffin tins. This bakes at 400 for around 25 to 30 minutes. If you're using a very shallow baking dish, it will take less time. If you choose to add more veggies, it may take longer. Just be sure that the eggs are completely set in the middle. This makes a delicious breakfast and can store in the fridge for up to 3 days for a quick, healthy leftover lunch.